everyone, and as you can tell from the title, today we are going to do a quick project making some Minnie Mouse ears on a headband. So I have this type of headband. I thought I had some different ones, but these are the ones that I have today, so we're going to use these. I also have some black fabric because I ran out of black felt. So as you can tell, I'm not prepared today. And I have these circle template thing here, which makes my life easier. I have a piece of paper that I'm going to use to make the ear template, and then I have some cardstock here which I'm going to use to hold up the ears, as well my glue gun. Now for this project you can also use fabric. I do have this kind of like foam. If you want to use that, that is an option as well, but we are not doing that today, so let's get into the video. First things first is making the template. Now because of the size of the headband, I figured that this circle here, this one or this one would be better to use. So I just kind of put the headband up to see. This one actually may be too big, so I will be using the smaller one. So as you can see right here, they have kind of like ruler lines for the circle, so I'm going to use that as my stopping point, and you'll see what I mean once we get started. So I'm kind of going to just make a little mark there and then do the same here. I'm not going to make a full circle. Just take that, go around and stop. So with this, I'm going to just make a line down straight as I can, and I can't make it straight today, so that's where the ruler comes in. I'm just going to mark that down just slightly, and we're going to use this part to wrap around the headband. So for this project, I'm just going to make one, but you can make two, or you can fold your paper. That way you can have two templates at the same time. So now you have your two template pieces. So now what you're going to do is take these templates and cut out the cardstock. Mickey or Minnie Mouse ears. You can always add a headband in between if you're making Minnie Mouse. You can use a different type of headband. Of course, this would have been a lot better had I had felt, which I thought I had, but I didn't. But it still turned out great, and the cardstock inside will help it to stand up. Of course, again, you can use the foam to put inside or any kind of like cushion if you want to use that. And of course, you can also sew the edges instead of using hot glue. So that is all for today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can see the videos that I put out every week. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because that's where I will have updates of everything that I'm doing with myself, the family, and YouTube, as well as in the description you will find the links to my website where I sell items that I custom make, as well as some other items on there, and the link to my blog is down there as well, and other links to my social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and all of that. So make sure you check out that description, and I will see all of you next time. Bye!